Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Cils Booster XL. It's a mascara base from Lancome. This is the travel size. It's 0.0 fluid ounces. Good to get a travel size because try it out and see if you like it. I have the full size, but I have travel size that I keep with me in my purse in case of a makeup emergency. So a little bit about this product is that it's a super enhancing mascara base that glides on evenly, coats and smooths your lashes to maximize the results of your favorite mascara. Its conditioning, clump-free formula helps microfibers and vitamin E add length and thickness to your lashes for visible performance of your mascara. So I've been using this for about 10 years now, and there's no other base that's better than this one. When you put it on, you want to put it on evenly. Get it on all of your upper lashes. I never put it on my lower lashes. I think I did once, maybe twice. My lower lashes are not really a concern to me about their length. I worry more about the upper lashes than I do the lower lashes. But it's a great base. You want to set it so it's dry and then put your mascara on. And I can't remember the name of the mascara off the top of my head. It's my favorite mascara. It's a vibrating mascara that gets in to all the little crevices and creases in your eyelashes. I love using it with that. What I will do though, if I have a colored mascara, say purple or green or teal or blue, I will put this on as like an undercoat so it makes my eyelashes, I put the mascara on while it's still white, so it's like an undercoat and it actually makes the color pop a little bit more. But since wearing this, people ask me if my eyelashes are fake. They're not fake. This is a wonderful product that works wonders. You can use it, I use it with Lancome, but I also use it with other mascaras because the formula will work with other mascaras, which is really great. It's not exclusively made to only work just with Lancome. It can work with any mascara that you have, but it's a wonderful base. It kind of seems like a ridiculous extra step to take, but if you really want long, luscious lashes and you don't want to take the time to put fake ones on because you're afraid that they're going to fly away. Sometimes I feel like I have little fans on my eyelashes, and I wear glasses, so the only time I can't wear or that I can wear fake eyelashes, I can't wear my glasses because they'll touch my glasses and it feels ridiculous. And then if there's any wind, I start to worry that my eyelashes are going to fly off. So this is a much more quote-unquote natural approach to getting lashes that look like fake lashes. So you can put a good 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 coats, as many coats as you want. Just let it dry before you put the mascara on. Like I said, the only time I don't wait for it to dry is when I'm using a colored mascara. Lancome even has a pink mascara, which is kind of crazy. It doesn't look that great, but I tried it. It's kind of weird, but I'll use it if I have my green mascara, my teal mascara, my blue mascara, and that tends to work as a really great base for me. If you really want to look like you have fake lashes and you don't want to put them on. Like I said, it's difficult. They have new ones that have magnets in them. Those are even more difficult to put on. I can't believe that they could make a lash that is more difficult to put on than a fake lash. But I found that if you want to put fake lashes on, the best thing to do is look down into a mirror and use the tweezers and let the glue dry till a little bit before you put it on your eye itself, so it's tacky. So just a little info for you, a little FYI, a little tip. So, but this Lancome, the Cils Booster XL, is a wonderful, wonderful product. I highly recommend it. It's a great mascara base. You won't regret trying this. Like I said, you can get a trial size to try it yourself before you buy a full size, because you will buy a full size because you will love this. I'm not joking about that. I would give this 5 stars out of 5 stars, but like I always say, don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching.